What'd you say? What'd you say, Jacob? Yeah. Oh, what's he? Oh, look at that smile. That's so cute. That's adorable. Do it again, Jacob. That's so cute. No one believes that you smile and that you're happy. Because you're always fussing. But we still love you. We still love you, little guy. You're so cute. You get a good smile, little guy? Yeah. Yeah, we love you, Jacob. Yeah, you're so cute. All right, Mommy loves you.